welcome to my cruise channel. This week we're going to talk about what to expect on your first cruise, but before we get into all that, I must ask, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Alright, so let's get to it. So one of the things you should expect to do on your cruise, and technically you do this before you even arrive on the ship, is to do your e-muster drill before arriving at the terminal. This is required for all cruises in the US, and it takes only about 5 minutes. It can be done in the app. Literally all you do is you watch about maybe 5 videos, really short videos. You can do it while you're waiting to get on board the ship. Then when you're done, report to your muster station, and the crew will be able to check you off as having done the drill. And everyone has to do this. It is law, so it's usually one of the first things that we do when we get off the ship, and then you can go on your merry way and have all the fun you want. If you don't do your e-muster drill, you hold up everyone on board the ship, and then nobody gets to have fun. The second thing that you can expect is, again, long lines at the terminal, so wear comfortable shoes as you do your e-muster while waiting in that line. You can also expect some of the pools to be open, so when you're packing your carry-on the night before, slide your swimsuit in there in case you want to take a dip. Next, you'll also want to slide in your ID or passport into your carry-on, because when you arrive at the terminal and you check your baggage, you're not going to be able to see your suitcases and all that for quite some time, and you'll need those documents at several points throughout the check-in process. You can also expect to see long lines at the buffet. So when you board, if you haven't eaten yet, try looking to see what other restaurants might be open. You might not have as many lines. From what I've heard, usually the main dining room is open on embarkation day. So you might want to stop there, grab something to eat, talk to the maitre d', make sure that you have all of your dining reservations in place. And you can also expect your room not to be open until early afternoon, so you might want to pack what you need for the day in your carry-on. That might be medications, again, your travel documents, bathing suits, anything you think you might need, electronics, chargers, that sort of thing. You can also expect long lines at the elevators. So when you board, you might want to pack just a little bit of extra patience, because everyone is still learning their way around the ship. Hallways are going to be congested. You might have people that have mobility issues that might need the elevators more than you do. So if at all possible, you might want to consider taking the stairs. Next up, your luggage will not be arriving until in the afternoon. However, in some cases, your luggage won't arrive until after dinner. This is nothing to worry about. There's usually no dress code the first night of the cruise for this reason. What happens is when you give your luggage to the porter then takes them to security, and they screen the bags and do whatever it is that they need to do to get them through the security checkpoint. And then they start delivering the luggage to the ship and obviously to your room. Now, keep in mind that even though this may seem like it's a quick and easy process, there's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of other passengers on board. So it's going to take some time for them to go through everybody's luggage. But rest assured, it will not be left at the terminal, as they will not leave until all the luggage is on board the ship. You can also expect to sign up your kids the first day that you board the ship. Sign them up for the Kids Club. It's a free service for the most part. For the younger children that need babysitting services, there might be a little bit of an extra upcharge for that, so you might want to check that out. And it's usually a great time for you to check out the kids' space and all that. They usually have some sort of an open house, so you might want to check that out. And then claim your soda package, where you'll probably get a reusable cup, especially if you're on Royal Caribbean, to use throughout the cruise. Now, if you're on Royal Caribbean, they do have freestyle machines where you can use that cup to get bottomless soda. Now, if you don't use the freestyle machine and you choose to go up to a bar, just unscrew the top to let the bar staff know that you're ready for your next drink. Now, to claim the drink package itself, just go to any bar. You'll be presented with a variety of different glasses to choose from. Just provide proof that you purchased the drink package and you'll be, again, on your merry way. And the final thing that you can definitely expect on your cruise is for your picture to be taken throughout the cruise, including boarding day. So some of these occasions might be formal night, at the ports, at dinner. And then if you want to purchase the photos, then that's usually an extra charge. And you can find it in the photo gallery. Now, you can also purchase sessions with the photo gallery where you can sit the family down and have formal pictures taken. We really haven't seen the need for that. But I've seen people do it. I've seen people have great experiences with it. So if you can and you want to do it, I say go for it. And if you don't want your picture taken, just tell the staff member very politely, no thank you, I don't want my picture taken, something along those lines, and they'll usually leave you alone. So that's all of the things that I can think of that you can expect on your first cruise. Seasoned cruisers, did I miss anything? Please comment below if you think that I might have missed something, or if you notice something that you think should be included. We'd love to hear from you. And again, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. And we'll see you soon. Bon voyage!